Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Sportage SX. This features the 2-liter? Yes, 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder for a total price of $36,820. Snow white pearl over black. Really nice spec on this one. I'm a big fan of it. And with the 2-liter, this thing is a rocket. And then you could just open this to get your air filter. So Kia makes it easy for maintenance. But let's go ahead, start her up, take her for a drive. Couple different drive modes, normal, eco, and sport. You already know which one we're going towards. Backup camera. And then into drive. SX badging. Soft touch materials. Aha! It's real stitching, not the molded plastic. Nice. But let's go ahead. Oh yeah, the panoramic sunroof is beautiful too. Take it out for a drive. SX is the top of the line for the Sportage. There might be a couple different trim level options on top of SX, but it's the highest trim. And the 2-liter is the biggest engine and the most powerful engine of the bunch. I'll go ahead and see how it does. Not bad at all. This thing is an absolute riot, and it handles really well for a small compact SUV. I'm definitely impressed with it. Didn't think it drive half as well as it does, and it is an absolute riot from a dig. Put it over into manual mode, which is a dedicated manual mode. I think it auto upshifts at red line, but I haven't checked that out yet. 6-speed. Yep, 6-speed automatic. No dual clutch unit in the Sportage. The Seltos SX is a dual clutch unit. So it will auto upshift. That's what I thought. Go ahead and turn down the AC. Goodness, this thing is so much fun to drive. I absolutely love this thing. I've not driven a car this fun in quite a long time, especially an SUV. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.